Hi guys, so tonight we're unboxing a package from Vera Roots. Vera as in true and roots, true roots. So Vera Roots, and I love the name already. So already I kind of have a hint of what I'm gonna get. So the package came very securely wrapped, by the way, in bubble wrap and corrugated packaging material, which you know I'm going to rip those off. And in the package were 6 of these bars, 6 of these health bars, and already I am in love with the fact that it's just simple packaging, clean looking, you know, very simple. And the best thing about it is I can recognize most of the ingredients in these bars already. One of the things I'm loving about this product so far is that you notice that the granola bars, they don't appear to be brittle and dry as a lot of granola bars are. So it's not your regular granola bar. In fact, this product is their Seamoss Superfood bar. So let's get it right. It's their Seamoss Superfood bar. In fact, Seamoss is what is the constant ingredient in all 6 of these packages. So that's the base that forms these bars, okay, these health bars. Now I'm gonna go through the 6 packages that I got. Now this one is blueberry and vanilla, and already I feel like it's gonna taste really good, okay? And it's so soft in my hands and kind of chewy, almost chewy or pliable, almost like a warm chocolate chip cookie. So that's really how I like mine. Okay, now when you look at the back, there is a list of ingredients. So for this one, it's clearly written that it's a lot of healthy roots. It has sunflower seeds, which I can recognize from in the package. It has pumpkin seeds, hemp hearts, cardamom, ginger, cloves, cinnamon, blueberries, cocoa butter, and organic cane sugar, among other things. So all these ingredients are organic based on what I'm seeing on the package, which is a good thing. And I'm not seeing anything there that I can't pronounce, which is also a good thing, you know, because there's so many preservatives in our food these days and chemicals that we don't even recognize or are unable to pronounce. So back to the unboxing. So this is their superfood bar in blueberry and vanilla. The package also contains one that's spiced elderberry, which also once again has the ingredients at the back, and it just looks so cute and artisanal. This one has in oats, whole wheat, sea moss, bladderwrack. It has in maca root, honey, elderberry, flaxseed, cinnamon. Look here, this has, I have yet to see one thing that I cannot pronounce or that I'm not familiar with, and I'm loving that. The other 4 packages are cranberry and white chocolate chip. This sounds good. All of them sound so good and gooey and yummy. I love it. And this one is oatmeal and raisin, because I mean, what's a good health bar without having the oatmeal and the raisin included, right? And this one, I confess, I took a bite. It was good. It was so good. This one is the triple chocolate. I mean, I could not resist, okay? So the triple chocolate. So of course, this granola bar is a little smaller than the others. And finally, the chocolate chip and star anise. So we have 6 different flavors and 6 different bars to choose from, and they are all healthy. Other thing that it came with is this beautiful little card that just says thanks for shopping. Just thank persons for shopping with them. And it also gave a discount code and the link to their store, which is at Vera Roots Products on Instagram or www.veraroots.com, and that's their website. And on the back of this, not only do they provide, you know, a nice little thank you card and you know, the links to their pages, but they also give recipes using their product. I like that. That's really good. That's a nice personal touch. So basically I got all 6 of the granola bars that they have, or the superfood bars, not granola bars, the superfood Seamoss bars that they have in stock. And so I'm looking forward to trying these, because just at first glance, just unboxing these, they just look so good. They look so healthy. So guys, check out Vera Roots products. Check out Vera Roots. Just check them online on their Instagram and on their website, as stated before. And you know, don't be shy, leave a review. I know I will. So yeah, check it out, guys.